Good morning, world. Fixing off our list of breakfast here. Some bona for the two spoiled goats. Coffee for Mama and me, but that comes after everybody else. Now see, the goats, they're going crazy first thing. They want their milk. I don't know where all the chickens are. Tick, 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 tick. And here comes some of them. Usually when I throw feed out, they start coming. Oh, yep, there's the mama. You gotta come on this side of the fence, girl. Okay, come on. You gotta let me walk. I can't get to the chair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Feeding the two spoiled babies. It's next. Here's the rest of the chickens, something more feeding. The dogs are the most patient. They're not in a hurry. They want fed, but they don't go crazy. The chickens, the three cats are gone this morning. Must have been happy hour at the bar last night. All three boy cats. So they go out prowling. Sometimes they're here. You'll know if they're here because they're the first ones when you crack the door. Usually I throw chicken feed, then I throw cat feed, then I feed the goats, then the dogs get fed, then I drink coffee. The big goats in back are late sleepers. Up, and the winner is Molly. Okay, next. Okay, here's the late arrivals. And I think, yeah, Henrietta made it. You're gonna blow their rice. I'll try to feed them over here. Oh, Miss Callett came out. She's gonna chase birds, she thinks. There she is. You're out early. One, two, three. Tick, 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 tick. You're missing two. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, there comes one of them. There they are. Come on, tick, 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 tick. Run, little fella, run. Come on, tick, 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 tick. Everybody's accounted for. How about you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All accounted for. Penny, are you all accounted for? Well, 2 have showed up. And Gigi joins them. The cats have to eat fast because Gigi really eats fast. Where's Rocket? He stay at the bar too late? Rocket has found the house of ill repute, so he's over there whining and dining the women. Puff and Seaby are good cats. They stick around. They're not really good for anything. They're just good cats. They don't catch. Occasionally they'll catch a bird, which is a no-no, but they don't catch snakes or lizards or rats. But they're pretty good cats. They're scared to death of the chickens. Gigi's the only one that's not afraid of chickens. And the new mama with her little babies. And the other new mommy's over here. Come here, tick, 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 tick. Here you go, tick, 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 tick. This little girl, she sometimes will come hop up on my shoulder. She got attacked early and I got almost ripped out. But we managed to save her, so now she just comes running to Daddy anytime she needs anything. And she found the feed. The little one's here. All accounted for. Okay, everybody fed. Except me. But I do have my coffee. So, once again, hope everybody has a great day. See you next time.